the most interesting thing that has happened in the world is AI, right?
Yeah.
And now, legit, like a chat GPT or any good AI can give you what a consultant will take weeks to give, right?
Yeah,
We all
yeah.
know that. So now it's very interesting to be like, अब तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो यार? क्योंकि अभी तक तो चल रहा था कि तुम पीपीटी बनाते हो, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है बनाने का, या तुम चीज़ों को बुलेट पॉइंट में 10 पॉइंट लिख देते हो कि विजन फॉर 2026, ये वो तो चैट जीपीटी 30 सेकंड में बना रहा है. अभी तुम क्या करोगे? So now imagine they are using AI to show that they are better than AI. So imagine there's a client which has hired, say, a big consulting firm. So they are sitting whole day on AI to try and show we are better. What to direct AI से ले सकता था. And but I've realized the big scam in this part is किसी भी कंपनी या किसी सेटअप में ना, you want to say something कि यार ये चेंज होना चाहिए, हमें ये करना चाहिए, but you either don't have the authority to do that or you don't have the balls to do it कि भाई मैं करूँगा और backfire हो जाएगा तो. So I think the whole concept industry of consultancy is relying on the fact that there are some middle management or slightly senior management people all over the world who don't have the balls to say कि ये होना चाहिए. So they hire this, a whole industry is there to just be hired and come and tell me what I want to hear and get charged for that. So I can say कि McKinsey ने बोला ये करने को तो हम कर रहे हैं.
Makes sense. Yeah.
Because otherwise there's no, especially with ChatGPT, legit makes no sense. Like honestly, off the record, when I talk to any friend of mine in consultancy, they are like, of course, ChatGPT makes better PPTs than us, more efficient vision, synergy, everything, all table, chart, whatever we can do, it does better. There is like, तुम लोग तो आर्टिस्ट हो तो तुम्हारे पास एडवांटेज है अभी कि यू कैन राइट जोक्स विच ChatGPT can't write now, as of yet, for now. बट हमसे तो वो बहुत आगे है, उसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है.
Wasn't there that one company? I mean, I'm sure you know better. There was a consulting company whose job was just to come into companies to fire people.
There are yeah.
I don't know which one it was, but they had a record of coming. Each time they would come and they were like, we'll fire because of them, not because of us.
Yeah.
And the management wants to do it, but they're like, oh, we're doing it through them.
Yeah, but exactly same scam because आपको करना है but you can't, so you're like they have come to optimize our workforce.
Yeah.